Honorable Chairperson NRC Amara, Honorable former Chairman NRC and our friend Mr. Farooq Hamid, Yasir Yasab, our presenter for today, honorable members joining us in person and through Zoom. Indeed, it is a very momentous occasion that we have arranged at ICAP level a refresher on IFRS and IIS. I think it was much needed, and we need to continue doing it at least on a 6 monthly basis because as globally things are changing, the demand for IFRS, the implementation of IFRS and IAS is also increasing. And not only it is important for our members in industry and in practice to refresh their knowledge after a certain period, as so many changes are happening now and then, it is also a very good service avenue for all members actually. So many assignments come in where the expertise of IFRS and IAS are required. What Northern Regional Committee has done brilliantly over the 4-day refresher course is that they have tried to cover almost 16 IAS and IFRS, which is very heartening. And I think, again, the knowledge that has been shared by the four presenters that we had, Mr. Bilal, Mr. Hamad, and Yasir Yasab today. And I think all of this knowledge is very, very important. And at ICAP level, we continue to give you opportunities. The regional committees, the Northern Regional Committee is playing its part by imparting knowledge to you. They are also arranging the conference for students, which even members can attend, which is titled on artificial intelligence. Again, technology is very close to heart if you ask me from the council perspective is concerned. The strategy that we made 2 years ago, and then we tried to refresh it in the current year as well, the whole profession is turning towards technology, and it is going to be a mash of technology and accounting in the future. We really need to be mindful that we are actually skilled as far as knowledge of our core areas like IFRS, ISAs, IAS are concerned, our knowledge of the local corporate laws are concerned, but also the other elements that are related like blockchain, AI, and the data, the courses that we are doing on digital side are very, very important. I think one course that we have developed regarding the digital auditor is very important. That is also being started now and being done by the Digital Accounting and Assurance Board of ICAP. That is very nice. The data analytics program already in its 7 cohorts have been done. It has been very widely received. Then we are also planning different activities from different committees, and it is, I think, a lot of knowledge that is there. We have developed the LMS, and LMS has different courses being placed there, and you can watch it and you can view it at the time of your convenience. And the chairperson told me just a few moments ago that this session and the 3 sessions before this will also be uploaded on the LMS, and the presentations will also be sent to all the participants and would also be available online. I think knowledge is something that is very important, and we need to share it with everyone. And ICAP is trying to play its part. Wherever you see there are any pitfalls or shortfalls, do let us know. You are mostly connected with us, or either through WhatsApp or email or any other physical interaction that you have. I'm very sorry I could not make it today. I had to rush to airport in a few minutes, so if I had to come to ICAP and then go back, that would have been difficult. My flight schedules changed. Otherwise, I would have been loved to come here and meet you in person, all of you, after a long time. But apart from everything, we are also thinking of doing out-of-box activities soon. We are thinking of taking you to a new journey in finance, how you will be building robots. And this is going to be I think, a good event. We are planning it somewhere in 2 to 3 weeks. And again, the regional committee is doing different activities. I understand there is a session for new chartered accountants, the new members that are coming in. They are also in the pipeline. Then we have many other activities lined up. We have a conference in Dubai on November 28th. Again, it is targeting technology and sustainability. It will be held in Le Méridien Hotel Dubai. For those of you who are overseas, we would love to see you there. And the chair, President IFAC, Madam Asma has kindly consented to be the chief guest and a keynote speaker there. We have so many local speakers from UAE there, and we have some other speakers from IFAC also coming there. So there is a lot of activity going on at this time in ICAP, and we are thankful for your participation and your continued patronage. Looking forward to your feedback. I would like to again appreciate the Northern Regional Committee, the chairperson, Madam Amara, Farooq Hamid Saab, who I understand is chairing the CPD committee, Anil Peter, who organized the events in Islamabad, and rest of the team of NRC as well. They deserve a lot of appreciation for doing all these efforts. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. You must be very tired. So let me say goodbye to you. Allah Hafiz. Thank you very much.